What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a channel. Oh, a little crooked. Hope you guys are having a great and lovely day. This is what I meant about the mesh. Can't really see it on camera, but right here it is a little pushed in. All right, so we just took off the bumper. I actually test fitted the fog lights to see if it will work, because I didn't know if there's enough space between the fog light and this part right here, since it was trimmed down to make the grill fit. It's still like a little bit gap, so I'm going to go ahead and file this down some more, see if I could make it go back a bit more, and then also to remove any rust that's on there and go over it with some touch-up paint just to prevent the rust from building up on the metal right here. This is how it's looking right now. So here's what I mean where the headlights do hit, is this part. In order to fit this grill like this, how we have it on this GT350 bumper, we did have to cut down the metal here to push it back. And then right here, I did grind it back just because it was starting to get a little bit of rust. So I grinded it back and painted it. I did do this part right here as well. The only part we have to do is right here. I might push this back a little bit more, and then I have to do the same for this whole entire piece right here. And the rest right here, I just have to remove some of this rust right here and cover it with touch-up paint. I'm gonna go ahead and start grinding, and I'll pick up the camera once I'm done. Alright guys, so I'm almost done with this. I just need to do that part right there, which I forgot what it's called, but the wheel actually ended up breaking, so I wasn't able to finish it. Tomorrow I'll come back and I'm just going to finish up this little part. Everything else, like I could run my fingers on it, it won't cut me. I really got it down smooth. So right now I'm going to use this touch-up paint to cover up all the metal. It will protect it and keep it from rusting again. And there we have it, guys. I just finished putting on the paint, and once I'm done with this part, I'll go ahead and paint over it as well. Here's pretty much what we got. I was able to finish this whole entire piece right here. Same thing for this side. I could touch it and not worry about getting cut. And I also put some touch-up paint on these. And there we have it. So as far as the horn, I just literally just removed the zip ties, and I figured this would be a nice spot to put it. So here we have the bumper. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 grills we have to change. We did have this one in the center, but it got replaced with these two center fog light grills. This one will be easy to remove, but the ones on the side are going to be a little difficult. That right there, good thing is not on the car no more, because before, just the way you see it is how it would show on the sides. But now that we took it off, we don't have to worry about it. We don't have to worry about it. So we're all good. Here is the back of the bumper. So this one in the bottom does have these clips, so it'll be easy to remove this. But on the sides, it didn't come with those clips, and I never actually put them on the side ones. This is just being held on by some automotive glue. So I'm going to try to take it off. I'm just going to use some pliers to put it, and hopefully the glue doesn't take any of the top layer of fiberglass with it. I'm going to set you guys on the side for a little time lapse. So finally, I took it off, and here we have the mesh. It's more like little UFOs rather than diamonds like these. So the only thing left to do is remove all that glue. I did find the easiest way to do it is with those nose pliers. You just pinch it and twist it. Here we have the bumper without the grills. Honestly, it would be kind of cool to like make that like a like close it off but keep the shape, but that'll create wind resistance. So I'm just going to keep it with the mesh. Here we have the new mesh. So the holes are smaller. I can't even fit my finger through it, but they're also diamond shapes. Right now, since this is like rolled up, I'm going to have to flatten it out and put something on top of it just so it could flatten out. Then I'll put it on the car.